You know what's crazy? In 2009, this did not exist in your Chevy Malibu and many other GM vehicles. Why? I don't know, but we're gonna fix that with a mod. What's going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and we're gonna install this carbon air filter for the HVAC system. That is correct. There is no place to put this unless you do a little bit of hackery and some cutting right in there. No worries, it's not bad, and you're not going to really see it that much. You just got to do a little cutting, and you'll be good to go. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now because I'm about to go and do a ton of driving in some major cities, and I figured, well, I want some clean air while I'm driving around there. So let's go ahead and get into this right now. First off, let's go ahead and get into the glove box. So next, we got to go ahead and take this whole box on out of here. So we should be able to like pull this down. And like normal, like on other cars that would have, we should be able to pull down from there's a top lever up here. There we go. If you kind of snake your thumb up and around, and kind of pull down, that should tilt this down. And actually, we should be able to pull this right out. Pull it out and down, and there it is, out and down. Has the clips here to slide right in there. So I'm just gonna put that out of the way. We are here now. Where do we go? Well, here there's just a big lump that's kind of sitting out here. So that's like the motor. You can't really do anything with that. But go right above here. We have this. See, we got some like lettering up there, but then you see these little pieces right there, kind of like dotted lines. Well, so we're gonna cut there. So go along all across to go ahead and take care of that. So we're gonna make like a little bit of a flap here. That's what it's gonna kind of look like. So it's gonna make a little mess. So get your vacuum ready. But what we're gonna use? Well, I could use probably a couple things, but I just want to be fast and efficient. I'm just gonna use this hunkaroo. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, just go, just right through in there, cut right in there. I don't get blinded by the sun anymore. I should be able to make a clean cut right in the bottom here, because that's where a air filter would go. So that's where, you know, it just has those lines. So we're gonna cut on the bottom, do little slits on the side, and then I'll be able to get like maybe a little saw in there on the sides and take care of that. So, you know, let's go ahead, give this a shot. So other things I want to mention, you're only going to fling a bunch of melted plastic on the side there. That's okay. And so we got some movement, so the bottom is cut. Hooray! So now, gotta go along the edge there and do that too. So, gonna get a little knife, some kind of saw, like work our way in there a little bit there. Not too bad, not too bad. Yes, this is kind of a ghetto way of doing things, but I just want to make it fast. So we're gonna cover up with tape later, so hold anyways. So there we go. So of course, found some of these like aluminum kind of metal snippers. I think it'd be going great in the corner. I mean, you can do it for the whole thing, really. It can be pretty, people. It can be pretty. Yeah, the top kind of broke apart there. Oh, whoopsies. Oh, they really fell apart. We need a lot. Oh, okay. I don't know if it's over time or what, but that is some little plastic. All right, so it does bend. Okay, well look, we got a flap. On the inside, and a mesh screen. Fan. That's about it. Well, now we have to install this. So I got everything on the line. So what we need to fit? So I got one with the charcoal in there to be a nice enough filter. So I mean, this size should fit right up. Let's see, make sure our flap is out of the way here. And of course, we got to do the correct airflow. Check in, the airflow is going, you know, down. So it makes sense because you saw the vent in the back. It's from the fresh air. The scroll fan's down below there. I should be able to slide this right in. I'm gonna try it the long way. So airflow, we have the arrows are in the front there pointing down. A little bit of slip and slide. Just getting kind of caught in the corners. People, we have hit the back. Nice. All right. Not perfect, but hey, people, I mean, if you're still, you know, filtering the air by at least 90%, that's a lot better even. And, you know, Lord knows I need it in these big cities I'm heading to here in the next day or so. Cool. All right. Well, I'm going to go get some kind of tape. You could use it whatever you want. I'm going to probably stick to electrical or some kind of painter's masking tape just for this so it's not as messy. But I think I'm going to go with the electrical because I have the most stuff here. I think we should also test it. Let's see if we turn it on here. Let's test it here. Turn it on. Airflow. And it's still flowing. Still working. So that's good. And there it is. All nice and taped up right there. Ain't too bad for a quick hodgepodge job. And it's gonna do just fine. Like I said, if we get 90% air filtration, Now, just from driving, it's pretty good. I mean, for not having this on factory, that's weird. Honda Civic had it before from 07. TL from 04 has it. My Chevy truck doesn't have it probably, and then this doesn't. I mean, this is 09. Crazy. So, anyways, there it is, guys. Well, there's really no sugarcoating it. I mean, that's it. That's actually kind of easy and simple. Just got to put everything back in reverse order, and we're done. Enjoy some fresher, cleaner air. So, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoyed today's video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up right there. Make sure you subscribe down below for more content quite like this and much more. If you have any comments or questions, or what did you use to go ahead and modify this, and what tools? Go ahead and let me know down below. Love to hear it. These are just some of my ways to be able to do it. And if you need any tools for this job that I used and a little bit more, check out my links down below and go ahead and check those out. Got a merch store, Instagram as well. Check it out. But guys, thank you again so much for watching. This is GTSam. I'm going to catch you next time.